Mindfulness for Beginners, a step-by-step guide to boost your mental health. Hello and welcome back to Hussain Psychology. Today we are going to explore mindfulness, a practice that helps countless people reduce stress and find inner peace. If you are new to mindfulness, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple step-by-step process that you can start using today. Step 1. Find a quiet space. Begin by choosing a spot where you won't be disturbed. This could be a quiet corner of your home, a peaceful park bench, or even a small room. For example, imagine yourself settling into your favorite armchair with minimal distraction. That is your mindfulness zone. Step 2. Set a timer. Start with just 5 minutes. Setting a timer helps you commit to the practice without worrying about the clock. Picture a beginner who sets gentle alarm on their phone, signaling the start of their mindfulness journey. Step 3. Focus on your breath. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes and direct your attention to your breathing. Notice the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. For instance, imagine feeling the cool air as you inhale and that warmth as you exhale. This simple focus can ground you in the present moment. Step 4. Acknowledge your thoughts. When thoughts arise, and they will simply observe them without judgment. Then gently return your focus to your breath. Think of it like watching clouds drift by in the sky. Acknowledge them but let them pass. Step 5. Practice daily. Consistency is key. Even if you start with just 5 minutes a day, this practice can gradually become a cornerstone of your routine. For example, consider someone who begins every morning with a brief mindfulness session and soon notices reduced stress and improved clarity throughout their day. Mindfulness is a journey, one that helps you build resilience and manage stress. By constantly practicing these steps, you can experience profound improvement in your mental well-being. It is not about perfection, it is about presence. Thank you for joining me on this mindfulness journey. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with anyone interested in boosting their mental health. Let's build a mindful community together on Hussain Psychology. See you in the next video.